Greetings, everyone. This is a way for you to find the Turabian 9 student tip sheet guides for how to cite your articles and sources for your papers. So the first thing you're going to do is type in Turabian 9 tip sheet. I already have it here. You're going to go to make sure that it's published by the Chicago Manual of Style that publishes Turabian. And then you're going to click on Turabian Student Paper Formatting Tip Sheets. And here is the guide. And this is the tip sheet guide. And here it has all of these links to different parts of your paper and how to format those and how to set those up. But the main one I want you to take a look at is the citation quick guide. So if you don't have your book, then you have this quick guide to help you format your citations properly. It has the author date style, which is the parenthetical style, and I'll briefly go over that here to show you how to do those in-text citations. Again, that's only for if your paper is requiring or your instructor is requiring for you to do an in-text citation or parenthetical citation. But the main one that I want you to focus on is the notes and bibliography style, because that's what we've been going over for the majority of the class. So if you see, it has on the same page the majority of the citations that you will probably use for your research papers. It starts with the book. So remember, I told you need to at least know how to recognize the book citation. It has this the note, the shortened note, as well as the bibliographic entry and how that is formatted. The main, it secondly has the chapter of a book and how to format those, as well as translated books. I want to go ahead and down to, for those of you who may be using a dissertation or a thesis as your source, it also has how to format that as well. The main one that we've been talking about for the last several months is the journal article. And as you can see here, it has the order of the journal article, and you can use this along with typing your paper. In fact, I encourage you to keep this particular page open while you are working on your papers, and particularly as you are crafting your bibliographies. This will help you check to make sure if you got the punctuation in the correct order, as well as the order of the citation material. Now, notice here that it shows you both notes and a shortened note. When do you use these? When you first initially refer to a source, you're going to use the full footnote or endnote. In our case, we're using footnotes. After you introduce or repeat a reference to that particular source, you then go to the shortened note. Turabian 9 uses the shortened note as opposed to IBID. IBID still can be acceptable, but it's not acceptable until you do the second note citation. So primarily, if you stay within using the full note or the shortened note, you'll be okay for Turabian 9. Notice again the bibliography citation. Again, the bibliography entries are in alphabetical order, and they go on a separate page after the body of your paper. So here's a quick guide. Use this, bookmark it as you're writing your papers, and hopefully this helps you to get your citations correct. Alrighty, take care. Bye-bye.